कुट्टाळे लिओनल लोबो या 32 वर्सां तरणाट्याचो ताच्या इश्टान सोऱ्याच्या बाटले खातीर खून केलो। बांदकाम सुवातेर व्हरून तकलेर शिमिटाचो ब्लॉक मारून खून केल्ल्याची ताच्या इश्टान जबानी दिली। या खून प्रकरणात अलेक्स कुतिनो हाका पुलिशेन अटक केली। फुडलो तपास सुरू आसा।
हालीं तेंपार गोंयांत खून मारामारी ह्या सारकिल्ल्या प्रकारांनी वाड जाल्या। अशीच एक खुनाची घडणूक मंगळारा मध्यान राती कुट्टाळे वाठारांत घडली। बांदकाम सुवातेर लिओनेल लोबो ह्या तरणाट्याचो खून जाल्ल्याची म्हायती बांदकाम सुवातेच्या धन्यान पुलिशेक दिल्या उपरांत पुलिशेन ह्या खुनाची चौकशी सुरू केली। बांदकाम सुवातेर आशिल्ल्या सीसीटीव्ही कॅमेराच्या फुटेजीची पळोवणी केली आणि हेर पुराव्यांच्या आधाराचेर पुलिशेन लिओनेलाचो इश्ट अलेक्स कुतिनो हाका चौकशे खातीर ताब्यात घेतलो। सोऱ्याच्या बाटले खातीर आपल्या इश्टाच्या तकलेर शिमिटाचो ब्लॉक मारून खून केल्ल्याचे अलेक्स कुतिनो हांणी चौकशी वेळार जबानी दिली। उपरांत पुलिशेन ताका अटक केलो। ह्या खुनाचो फुडलो तपास सुरू आसा।
आमकां वेर्ना पुलिस स्टेशनाचेर आय गिव यू इन इंग्लिश दॅट्स बेटर देन एवरीबडी अंडरस्टँड। एट वेर्ना पुलिस स्टेशन एट 11 o'clock in the night, 11 in the night, one Mr. Mahendra Barad, he is a resident of Malwara, Agasaim. He appeared at the police station and gave a complaint that he is having an under construction site at Pajantar Kortalim, and he is having under construction building, and that he received information that one Pinku alias Lionel, son of Leonard Lobo, aged 32 years, resident of Pajantar Kortalim, is dead in his under construction site, having head injuries and in a pool of blood. So, having recorded his complaint, Verna police station has registered a crime under section 103 of Bharatiya Nyay Sanhita. What we found was the dead body of this Pinku lying in the pool of blood, having head injuries, a crack, complete crack on this thing, and a block of cement block by the side of his body. Blood splashed everywhere and totally smashed. So during the course of inquiry, we came to know that this deceased and others used to sit over there drinking, consuming alcohol heavily, and used to sleep there only. Now when we rounded up Mr. Alex Kutinho, son of Xavier Francis Kutinho, he is also aged 34 years, of Madan Kortali. He was also the friend of this deceased, and around a week back they had a brawl over drinks, wherein he was given he had taken a full bottle of drinks. They had both consumed drinks, and the leftover bottle was taken by the deceased and gone. So this Alex was very much annoyed and he was waiting for an opportunity. Now, having consumed alcohol yesterday around 7 o'clock, he found the victim Pinku sleeping in the under construction site, and he was also drunk. This Alex also was drunk. In a fit of anger, he took the block of a cement and hit it on his head, causing his death on the spot. And that's how we have detected. We have already arrested Alex Kutinho now at 11 o'clock at Verna police station.
Bureau report, Gomantak TV.